Welcome Kenneth's Custom. Finally got the C10 in today. Gonna get it took apart, do a little welding, getting rid of some rust. Not real bad, I've seen a lot worse. Got some rockers, floor fans. Got some rust above windshield. I don't know if you can see it real good or not, I just gotta come out. So get it took apart, you're gonna carry it and get the frame sandblasted and get the motor rebuilt. Maybe get it all going at one time, come back together pretty quick. The bed's in pretty good shape. Not a bad old truck for the model. A little 350 in it. I think you're gonna have it souped up a little bit. I got the doors stuck on the feather I picked up yesterday. You gotta do a little work on them. Need some door bottoms. A little rust over here, not this terrible. I've seen worse. Stay tuned, we'll try to get her took apart here after a while. Watch this video, see what all we gotta do to get it straightened out. Thanks for watching. Back at it, got the cab set off. Frame pushed out, we got the bed ready to come off, just got to set it off. Got the motor over here under the plastic. Windows out of it, steering column. Got some new parts here we got to put in. Got to have some more, we have to figure out what all we need. Pieces for the windshield, front of the cab. Back of the cab's got a little rust in it. We'll cut it out of there and get it fixed, get it going. Probably a couple of cab corners. Can take the roof skin off. It's in pretty good shape, but we got to get it off to fix some of the holes up under it, change that piece out. Do a little on the inside. Got the rust there, all that's got to be cut out and replaced. Do a little floor work. Somebody put some thin metal in there, just screwed it in, looks like, tacked it in places. Get the door trim and everything off, see what else we have to do. Probably gonna need some more, nothing major. Pretty good around the windshield and the bottom, no rust in there. Just a little surface tear in there. A few little places got to fix. Got one right there that's got to be cut out and fixed. Do a little work down here on these kick panel things. Not terrible. And get it cleaned up. See what else we need. I'm sure we'll find something. It ain't bad. We'll get back with it. Be back in a little bit. Thank you. Got the top cut off of it. Still got some cleanup to do around the edge. Give it a good bar brush and treat it good. Think it'll be alright. Cut this front piece out. Now you can see that hole. That's a hole on the inside. We got a piece to fix that with. Get it out. Not bad progress for day one. Pretty solid down in there. Other than that, we got a piece right here on the corner. We're going to try to fix this piece. Put a new piece in it. Get her cleaned up good. Got the pieces off now. You can see the rust there. It's not just terrible. Fix the rockers and full pans. Not bad for day one. Y'all stay tuned. We'll see what we can do tomorrow. Like and subscribe. Thank you.